Hi friends, welcome to Arivum Thoda channel. There are a lot of things that happens around us in our daily livelihood and we would have probably wondered why it had ever happened. So now let's look into the science facts behind it. We should have watched in most of the movies when a person fires, he gets slightly pushed backwards. This is because when a bullet is ejected from the gun, as per the Newton's third law, that is for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction, the person gets pushed backward when the bullet moves in the forward direction. If you take a normal potable water and boil, the boiling point will be lesser compared to that of a sea water. Have you guys wondered why? This is because sea water contains salts and other impurities which raises the boiling point of the sea water, and hence potable water boils way faster compared to that of a sea water. When you place an ice cube in open air, it melts faster. Whereas when you place it in a blanket or a sawdust, it doesn't melt so quick. Have you guys wondered why? This is because both wood and wool are very bad conductors of heat, and hence the ice cube doesn't melt so quick. If you ever want to move a barrel, is rolling them easy or pulling them easy? Rolling is better because when you roll the barrel, a friction is created in between the surface and the barrel, and this friction is way lesser compared to that of the friction created by a sliding object. So rolling is comparatively easy. Most of the people watching this video would have probably visited a railway station and looked at the railway track and wondered why a small gap is left at the joint between two rails. This is because when a train moves, heat is created in between the train and the track. To permit the expansion of the rail due to heat, a small gap is left. Lot of us would have probably tried this, putting a piece of chalk in water and observed bubbles. This is because air holes present in the chalk expels out in the form of bubbles and water gets inside. Most of us would have probably done this either for cooking or for various other reasons. We all have burnt wood and noticed a sound while the wood burns. Why? Why is there a pop of sound when the wood burns? This is because wood contains complex mixture of gases, and on the top layer, tar forming vapor gets trapped near the surface. These gas and tar vapor escapes, making a crackling sound. If you drop iron in water, it sinks. Whereas if you drop the same iron in mercury, it floats. Did you guys wonder why? This is because the density of the iron is more compared to that of the water, so it sinks. And the density of the iron is less than that of the mercury, so it floats. During a rainy season, we all use a thermoflask to store a hot water or milk. Do you ever wonder how it stays hot for so long? This is because the flask has two glass layers with air in between. We all know that air is a very poor conductor of heat, and hence the milk or liquid or any liquid remains hot in the thermoflask. If you jump from a tall building, the load experienced by you will be zero. If you ask me why, this is because of the acceleration of fall equals to that of the acceleration due to gravity of the earth. That's all for today's video. Thank you friends. If you like the video, subscribe to Arivum Thoda channel.